Unit 3, Lesson 5 test. Number 1. Which of the following describes an element? A. Two or more compounds joined together by chemical bonds. B. It is found inside the nucleus of an atom. C. A substance that cannot be broken down into simpler materials. Number 2. Look at the diagram below. What is the best title for this diagram? A. The atom. B. The nucleus. C. The neutron. Number 3. What do protons and electrons have that neutrons do not? A. Mass. B. Charge. C. Weight. Number 4. What is the chemical symbol for the element aluminum? A. Na. B. Cl. C. Al. Number 5. What are the classifications of elements in the periodic table? A. Solutions, mixtures, and suspensions. B. Protons, negatives, and electrons. C. Metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Number 6. How would you classify an element which was solid, malleable, and a good conductor of heat and electricity? A. Metal. B. Metalloid. C. Nonmetal. Number 7. Look at the diagram below. It shows a section of the periodic table. How is the element carbon different from the element nitrogen? A. Carbon has a negative charge. B. Nitrogen has a negative charge. C. They have a different number of protons. Number 8. How would you classify the element silicon? A. Metal. B. Metalloid. C. Nonmetal. Number 9. My atomic number is 9 and my mass number is 19. How many protons do I have? A. 9. B. 19. C. 28. Number 10. What elements are the most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Water and air. B. Nitrogen and oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. Number 11. What is the most abundant elements in the ocean water? A. Oxygen. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. Number 12. How do atoms of nickel differ from atoms of lead? A. They have different types of protons. B. They have different types of electrons. C. They have different numbers of protons. Number 13. How do scientists represent the elements? A. By their atomic mass number. B. By their valence electrons. C. Using chemical symbols. Number 14. What elements are the most abundant in living things? A. Carbon and plutonium. B. Carbon and oxygen. C. Silicon and cadmium. Number 15. What elements are the most abundant in the makeup of the Earth's core? A. Iron and nickel. B. Silicon and hydrogen. C. Hydrogen and oxygen.